Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Oppo Reno 2F. And Oppo Reno 2F powered by MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Oppo F15 is also powered by MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8GB of RAM, and both phones give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Oppo F15. And both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. And you can see Oppo F15, it is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F, about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. I guess you can see that both phones give you a beautiful display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Oppo Reno 2F compared to a Full HD AMOLED screen, while the Oppo Reno 2F give you a full screen display, because the Oppo Reno 2F give you a pop-up selfie camera, and you can see it is a really unique feature which I don't like. I like the punch hole over the notch as well as over the pop-up selfie camera. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer, and that was exactly the same on both phones. Settings, and again exactly the same on both phones. Mic lock, and again about the same on both phones. Amazon shopping, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Little bit faster on the Oppo F15. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it's absolutely smooth on both phones. Candy Crush Saga, some games application for checking out the performance difference between these two devices, although both phones comes with the same chipset, and you can see the bit second difference there between these two devices. Instagram, and again about the same on both phones. Snapchat, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 2F. Spotify, and you can see again about the same on both phones. Let's see Subway Surfer launching at the same time, and you can see that both phones perform exactly the same, and you can see no difference there between these two devices. The Temper and 2 on both phones, and you can see that in this application both phones is perform about the same, because both phones give you a same software, same chipset as well as same RAM size, but little bit faster on the Oppo F15 because this is a new model Zedge. And now let's see. And you can see that I would say about the same on both phones. Twitter, little bit faster on the Oppo F15. And last time I launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app faster, huge on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Oppo F15. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Wikipedia.org, and you can see about the same on both phones. Let's see the scrolling, feels really smooth. Next on the list is the gsubmarina.com, and you can see that about the same on both phones. Let's see, yes, about the same on both phones, it's exactly the same. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see that feels really smooth on both phones. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you a 8GB of RAM. Let's see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, refresh. Mic lock, that is not refresh. Amazon shopping, refresh on both phones. Let's see Candy Crush Saga. Instagram, again. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. Spotify, Subway Surfer. Let's see the Temper and 2, Zedge. And now let's see the last. We are back to the internet browser, that is only refresh on the Oppo F15, I have to say. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is about the same on both phones. Not much a difference between the Oppo Reno 2F versus the Oppo F15. And also the RAM management, it is absolutely bad on both phones. almost every application refresh on both these two devices. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Oppo Reno 2F. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.